Well, hello guys, my name is Nick from Nick's Toy Garage, and today we're doing another unboxing video in my room. You can tell that this is my room because I didn't get to hoover the carpet yet. Oops. So for an unboxing video you need only one thing, and that is a box. Ooh, that's a little bit close to the camera. It's right here, and the lighting is good and professional, nice. So in the box is, well, this. Ooh, I'm gonna put the box off camera and start grabbing some cars. No, off camera, I told you. So let's see what we have. We have a, what is this? This is a, I think, an Unimog. Yes, the Matchbox Unimog. We have a Challenger Matchbox. I think these are all Matchbox. We have a Peugeot 205 with the opening trunk. Really nice model. I really love this one. Next we have a, what is this one called? I forgot. It's a roller. Yes, sure, a roller. Next we have this. Oh, and it has both headlights. Pretty rare to have both headlights, actually. Really love to restore one of these. Then we have, this is a nice model, a Studebaker Lark Wagoneer. This one has the sliding roof. And it should have, I think, a guy and a dog, I think, not sure. Windows are pretty good shape, so this would make for a pretty nice restoration. Actually grab a couple, speeding this up a little bit. We have an ambulance, a really strange looking one. Another 205, nice, I like these cars. I have trouble placing them all. We have, can't read that, we have a crash tender. Sure. Next we have the, what's this one called? Mercury. That's pretty simple with a bull sticker on the front. Nice. Ooh, I want to do this one. We have a Formula, it's a Formula 1 car, it's a race car, it's the number 52 BRM Matchbox Series. Nice, missing the driver and the steering wheel, and missing the impossible to find rubber tires. Next, I want to do this one, This is the Pontiac GP Sports Coupe. It has the opening door, yes, it has opening doors, really nice interior. I cannot really get close because then it's dark. I need to fix my light. Oh no, that's not better. Let's just leave it that way. We have a couple of trucks. I see a couple of them and I only take out one. We have a forklift. I'm not really going to restore this one anytime soon. Ooh, this is an old one. Showing it off camera. This is the number 5. You can clearly see it right here. Number 5. I can actually gonna pull the light a little bit closer. We have, look at these. Can you focus, please? This is a really old one. It's got a bent back here, but it's pretty nice. Let's place my light down again. Professionalism, always at Nick's Toy Garage. Next, we have a Mercedes. I think this is the 350 SL without the front window, and don't think you can get those anymore. We have a Lotus Europe, I think it is. I have a couple of these in a couple different colors. And the Commuter, the Freeman Intercity Commuter. That's one funky looking bus, but I love it. Let's take a couple more. We have a field car with the canopy roof that is falling off. Let's fix it. Oh, the bumper is broken, that's a shame. We have, what is this supposed to be? It's a super fast number 2 Jeep Hot Rod. Well, they tried at least. We have, I think this is a gritter. It's actually worked. You can see it goes right there and through there. Pretty nice. Let's see what we can get out of this box. Oh, we have the, what is this called? Names. This is the Availing Barford Road Roller. We have another truck. We have another ice cream van. Usually the guy inside or the ice cream inside is missing. We have this, I think this is supposed to be 6 logs. It's a def, I think. I cannot read it for the life of me. Sure. Ooh, another old one. This is the Royal Tiger Coach. Really want to restore this one. I think I'm going to order this windshield right away so I can restore this hopefully soon-ish. Next we have, well, this awesome looking thing. We have the Ford Mustang, and I think, oh yeah, this one has the, well, the actual steering. Pretty nice. Really want to restore this one as a fastback, patent pending, nice. I think I can give it some new wheels without ruining the steering. He says hopeful. Then we have a Volkswagen Beetle, but this is a flying bug. Oh, this is a jet engine, I see. It's missing a couple parts, but oh well. We have another London bus. I think we have a lot of those. No, not in this slot. I ordered some more. I have 6 more boxes standing over there for other videos. Whoops. We have another fire truck. Ooh, nice. This is a newer one, I think. This is a Jeep 4x4. Nice, easy name. Love it. Another bug. This one is called the Volksdragon. Yeah, not... Yeah, well, Dragon. Sure. Next, we have a hovercraft. Nothing that interesting. What's this supposed to be? It's a piece of cheese. It's a Zopadopa. No, it actually says Zopadopa here. It's just cheese. Next, a Mercedes. Well, a 350 SL. No, 230 SL. And a... Ooh, that's not nice detail. We have the... Ooh, failing today. The GMC tipper truck. I think you can still order these back pieces. I need to check that soon. And the glass is pretty good. So a couple of dents. So maybe I will get another piece of glass. Maybe I will detail the engine. Who knows? I'm really bad at detailing engines, I guess, because I never do those. We have another buggy and a Lamborghini. What was it? Lamborghini Marzel. Yes. Next we have... What is this? This is the Whoosh and Push. I'm speechless. For those who know me, I'm never speechless. Next we... Oh, this is Saab. I really like these in real life. Sorry, I have to... What happened? Dude! I need to go to I need to clean myself again. What was the other... Was it the bus? No, it was the ambulance. I dropped something. It was the ambulance. I think we have 2 of those. Somewhere in there. Next we have another ambulance. No, it's not the same one, I promise. This is a Stretcha-Fetcha. Those names are incredible. So we're actually reaching the couple last models. Starting with these BMC 1800 by Pininfarina. Oh, is it the what's it called? Isn't this the SM Citroen SM the Maserati Citroen? No, it's a 4-door. It cannot. Just shut up, Nick. Then we have Harry the tow truck again. Maybe I will store this one. This is in a lot better shape than mine, and it has that light. These never have that light, and it's not bent, but I don't think you can get the SO stickers. Then we have the Combine Harvester. Pretty simple model. Oh, the arm doesn't extend, but oh well. And I think we are on to the last couple models. Oh, there it is. I knew there was a second one in there. I really want to store this one because it has a detailed interior. I'm not sure I can show you that. Oh, that's my light. Yes, there it is, the detailed interior. But the stickers you can get them online because they're 10 or 15 euros for a sticker set. That's more than this thing is worth. I think last but not least, oh no, there's more. We have a Lamborghini Countach LP 500S and another milk float. This is the Comer bottle float. Yes, it is. So now let's take the remaining newspaper, and that's it. So quick little unboxing. Hope you enjoyed. If you want to see any of this restored, because I am going to restore a lot of these, but if you're words, it's late again. It's late again. No, if you are dying to see me restore one of these, yes, great word choice. Please let me know in the comment section down below, and I will get on it right away. Also, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and hope to see you in a future video. Bye.